Yes, I am back. I had to stop the video actually because since I ordered, I think it was for a 5th gen, so it didn't fit. So I ended up going with the one from Lethal Garage. So I'm gonna show you guys what that looked like in the video. So yeah, let's continue. Okay, so I had to squeeze in here. So on the 2021, it's kind of hard to get in there. That little clip that you gotta take off, it's in there. So yeah, I'm gonna try and squeeze that off. Okay, so yeah, that was tougher to get out than I expected. So yeah, I had to come up with something right there. It was hard to get that under there, man. This 2021, they changed it up a little bit. It's like harder to get under the intake manifold, but I managed. I'm doing my best, y'all. I'm not no mechanic by all means necessary. I'm new to this still, so yeah, we're almost done. The only problem I noticed is that on the 2021, it's like little stoppers in there to where you can't push in the connector, so I just used a little. This should work. Probably gonna use like this little guy right here to push it through. Should be able to go through now. Yep, it's in there. It's locked now. So yeah, that's the only problem I've seen so far. So other than that, we should be good. It's in there. It didn't click, but it's tight. So we just gonna get another zip tie and just secure that so it doesn't move around. I'm gonna put it right here with these wires. So now we just put this back together. We should be good. Snaps back in. Alright, we all done. Now I'm about to hurry up and just put this stuff back on, and I'll be back. So it's all installed. So there we go. E85. So I'm gonna keep the covers off because I'm gonna be getting MSD manifolds, so it's gonna have to. The covers aren't gonna fit anyway. So there we go. All right, now that's it for this video. I got the HP tuners video. I ordered the HP tuners. It's gonna get tuned on the E85 within this or next week. So be waiting for that. I'm out.